How to change plan in Netflix. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for netflix.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in order to change your plan in Netflix, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen. You will then see the option for account. Tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, under the Quick Links tab, tap on the Change Plan option. You will then see the plan you are currently using along with other available plans. Tap on the plan that you want to change to and then tap on the Continue button, and with this the plan you choose will come into action immediately once you complete your payment process. So, this is how you can change plan in Netflix. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.